This is a private, limited-time offer that will increase in price. Finally, a fully installed, fully integrated AI command center that builds, manages, and runs your entire operation. Plus, you get the training, live support, done-for-you skills, the complete software suite, and your own custom control board built to ensure you actually win with OpenClaw. Here's everything you're going to get. OpenClaw Shadow Intensive, $997 value. OpenClaw VPS install, $497 value. OpenClaw control board, $997 value. OpenClaw Skills Vault, $997 value. OpenClaw Micro Sauce Accelerator, $997. Value, OpenClaw Free Members Area, $497 value. OpenClaw Titanium Suite, $997 value. Plus, you get these special OpenClaw bonuses with this offer. Claw Pusher, a proprietary syndication engine that allows OpenClaw to automatically distribute your content across your favorite social networks without requiring direct access to your accounts. $497 value. API Skills Builder. Learn the structured process that allows OpenClaw to properly train on and control any software with a public API. This is the framework that turns integrations into real working skills. Without it, OpenClaw can't execute at full power. $497 value. Custom Soul Builder. The system that aligns OpenClaw with your mission, objectives, and voice, giving it a tailored personality and strategic direction out of the box. $297 value. A total value, $5,373. This is going to be an historic software launch that you don't want to miss. Click the button below.